Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Technicsy. Today, we're diving into the world of tech photography and sharing some fantastic knowledge about starting a tech blog and growing your audience. Starting a tech blog and growing your audience requires careful planning and consistent effort. Here are detailed tips to help you get started and build a successful tech blog. 1. Choose your niche *. Tech is a vast field. Narrow down your focus to a specific niche within tech, such as cybersecurity, gadgets, software development, AI, or gaming. Specialization can help you stand out. 2. Market research *. Research your chosen niche thoroughly. Understand your target audience, their needs, and the competition. Identify gaps or underserved areas in the market. 3. Domain and hosting *. Select a memorable domain name related to your niche and reliable hosting. A good hosting provider ensures your site is fast and secure. 4. Content strategy *. Plan your content strategy. Decide on the types of articles, tutorials, reviews, and other content you'll create. Create an editorial calendar to maintain consistency in publishing. 5. High-quality content *. Your content should be well-researched, informative, and well-written. Offer unique insights and value to your readers. 6. SEO optimization *. Learn the basics of SEO, search engine optimization, to improve your blog's visibility in search engines. Use relevant keywords, optimize meta descriptions, and use header tags effectively. 7. User-friendly design *. Ensure your blog has a clean and user-friendly design. A responsive design is crucial for mobile users. Optimize images for fast loading times. 8. Engage your audience *. Respond to comments and engage with your readers through social media. Conduct surveys or polls to understand your audience's preferences. 9. Networking *. Connect with others in the tech community. Collaborate with influencers and other bloggers. Attend tech events, conferences, and webinars to expand your network. 10. Social media presence *. Share your content on social media platforms where your target audience hangs out. Use relevant hashtags and engage with your followers. 11. Email marketing *. Build an email list from day one. Offer a newsletter subscription to keep your readers updated. Send regular newsletters with valuable content and updates. 12. Monetization *. Explore monetization options like affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and display ads. Ensure that monetization methods align with your blog's niche and don't compromise quality. 13. Analytics *. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your blog's performance. Analyze which content performs best and adjust your strategy accordingly. 14. Guest posting *. Write guest posts for reputable tech blogs. This can help you gain exposure and backlinks. Accept guest posts on your blog from others in your niche. 15. Continuous learning *. Stay updated with the latest tech trends and advancements. Invest in your own education and skills to offer more valuable insights to your audience. 16. Legal and ethical considerations *. Be aware of copyright and plagiarism issues. Disclose affiliate relationships and sponsored content transparently to maintain trust. 17. Patience and persistence *. Building a successful tech blog takes time. Don't get discouraged by slow growth, and keep learning and improving. 18. Feedback and adaptation *. Pay attention to feedback from your audience and adapt your content and strategy accordingly. Remember that building a tech blog and growing your audience is an ongoing process. Stay committed, stay authentic, and provide real value to your readers to succeed in this competitive field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more photography tips on Technicsy. Thanks for watching.